Hey everybody, so this video I want to show you what I carry around for opening locks as a locksmith here. I got my suitcase and show you kind of the order here. Got these plastic cards for shimming latches, a ton of those. Here we got a plug spinner. And bump hammer, but here I'm sure you guys want to see is the picks I carry. And I actually like this bag a lot. The Helpful Lock Picker turned me onto these, and I'll put an Amazon link to this roll here. So, roll got tension wrenches right here, top of the keyway, bottom of the keyway. Then we just have various rakes. This is the rake. It's a bogey that I use the most. Hardly ever single pin pick while working. That rake doesn't work. I've got some 18 thousandths, the whole set of 18 thousandths bogeys, so I might try those. And then just various hooks and whatnot. So that's the first thing we try. Trying to get into a locked room. And if all that fails here, we got tri-flow to try to lubricate the lock. And then we have raking and picking fails. Got various bump keys to try with our bump hammer here. And if all that fails, I do carry around this electric pick gun, but it's not very good. I mean, it'll open locks that will rake easily, so if the lock won't rake, this probably won't open it either. I do think one thing the pick gun does really well, though, is after you lubricate the lock, I think the pick gun does an awesome job of spreading the lube around the lock. And so sometimes you can get them open, picking after you run that through there. And here I've got just random picks. This case hardly ever gets opened. Got the little decoder knife for wheel locks, and then just this just the filler, a lot of filler crap that comes in pick sets that I've bought over the years. This stuff really rarely ever gets used. Pretty close to never, actually. I don't even know the last time that I had this thing actually out. Just basically just a bunch of backup stuff. And of course, if all that stuff fails, then it's just the 20 volt DeWalt drill, and just drill the lock open and replace it. But that's just kind of the stuff I go through to try to open the lock before drilling. Like I said, pretty much the pick that gets used on almost every job is just this rake right here, and then just the bottom of the keyway tensioner. And the way I choose the bottom of the keyway tensioner is pretty much whatever one my hand grabs first is the one that ends up getting used normally. So anyway, if anybody was curious what I carry around as a locksmith for opening locks, that's pretty much it. And like I said, when all else fails, the 20 volt DeWalt drill, I'll finish the job off. But hardly ever drill any locks, though. I try not to. So anyway, I guess if you have any questions or anything, throw them in the comments. And that will do it for this video then, and we'll talk to everybody later.